your little bracelet. We're going to talk about this bracelet and the different phases of the menstrual cycle. Now, we just talked about what a period is, right? It's when the egg drops, there's a nice lining. The lining leaves your body through the cervix, out the vaginal canal as blood. But that is only the first phase of what is called the menstrual cycle, okay? When your body starts its period, it's starting something called the menstrual cycle that, as I mentioned earlier, will happen roughly once a month. And we're gonna go through the 4 phases that that cycle takes. So if you hold up your bracelet here, the period part of the menstrual cycle are these red beads. So if you hold up your bracelet, you have a little silver bead and then you have the period beads, okay? So periods last roughly 5 days, it can last 7 days. After your period, you can actually take off this charm, okay? This is to help you track where you are in your menstrual cycle. We're gonna go to these white beads. You guys see the white beads after the red beads? This is called the proliferative phase. And everybody say proliferative. You guys said that so well. I still have to say it in my head a couple times. Proliferative phase. Okay, so the one word we mentioned before was hormones. All of this is controlled by these chemicals in your body called hormones. They are triggered in your brain. Your brain tells your ovaries it's time to drop the egg. It tells your uterus it's time to shed that lining. And when your period is over, all of those hormones go really, really low. Okay, because your body's done all the work, right? It built up the lining, it shed the lining, and now in the proliferative phase, your hormones are really, really low. And during this phase, you might find that you have a lot of energy, right? If you, because your body's working so hard when you're on your period, you might not have as much energy, but after your period, you're gonna have a lot of energy, you're gonna feel good, and then after a couple days, those hormones are gonna start going up again as we're heading back towards another period in a couple weeks, okay? So we have menstruation, the first phase. The second phase is the proliferative phase. And then we're heading into the pink beads. Does everybody see the pink beads? Okay, now these pink beads represent ovulation. Raise your hand if you've heard that word before. Ovulation. The daughters of doulas, that sounds about right. Okay, so ovulation is when the eggs drop out of the ovaries and they're headed into the uterus. Ovulation can last about 3 to 5 days, and you don't really feel anything when you're ovulating, but you might notice in your underwear that you have some liquid, okay? And when you wipe, it almost might feel kind of slimy, even like snot. Is that kind of weird? Yeah, Sammy.
My brother has slime, so I know what it is.
Yeah, brothers are slimy, but this is a different kind of slime. What that is, this is the eggs, right? This is those eggs coming out of your body. And so whenever you're ovulating, you might have some stuff in your underwear that when you wipe, you think, oh, what was that? But you can just tell yourself, oh, I'm ovulating. That's just my eggs from my ovaries, okay? And when you notice that, you can say, I'm about 2 weeks away from my period, right? Because if you look, ovulation is about a week and a half, 2 weeks before your period is gonna start again, okay? So we have menstruation, first phase. Second phase, we have proliferative phase, low hormones, lots of energy. Ovulation, all of those hormones are going up, and your body is preparing that if that egg that was dropped becomes a baby, your body is working really, really hard to make your body ready and healthy to grow that baby. Then, after ovulation, we enter the luteal phase. Everybody say luteal phase.
Luteal phase.
Okay, so this is when one of those hormones that we were talking about, those chemicals in your body that's making all of this happen, these hormones called progesterone are getting really, really high. You might notice yourself start feeling tired. You might notice you might get some acne or pimples. That's not a ton of fun. You might notice that your breasts get a little sore. You'll notice after the luteal phase, there's 3 pink beads. That represents something called PMS. And this is when you might notice some of those symptoms happening in your body. Your breasts are sore. You might have some acne. Your brother might be really irritating and you don't know why. You just don't even want him in the same room as you. His slime is too much. You can't handle it, right? So those are the signals that, hey, my body worked really hard in case I was going to have a baby. It's not gonna have a baby and my period's gonna be starting really soon. Okay, now we made this bracelet so that you could track roughly where you are on your period. As I said earlier, this happens about every 28 days. So there's 28 beads here, but everybody's different. Every body is different. And once you start your period, you can use this bracelet to kind of help track. Oh, I'm on my period. This is my 2nd day of my period. This is my 3rd day of my period. Oh, my period stopped now, so I'm gonna jump to the proliferative phase. Oh, I noticed when I wiped, it was kind of mucousy. I'm probably ovulating. And you can track so that you know, okay, my period is getting ready to come.